it's John from MyLobby. Often the problem is, so with this hybrid workforce, you want to have a meeting, but you don't know who's coming, either hybrid, like virtual or physical. And so you're going to get an invite like this with a MyLobby meeting. And so I just invited myself with 2 different emails. So in this one, I say, hey, I'm going to attend virtually because that time doesn't quite work for me. So I'll be there. And then I say that. And then on my back end, and I'm just like remoting into my to my iPhone using this, and then what it's going to do, it will then update and go from pending to me saying that I have now accepted. And as I hit that response, I got this, now I'm attending virtually. And we're just waiting for the other guy, Giovanni. Yes, that's my given name.